All right, there is your inner bezel styling. It comes with, it looks like another extra sticker. And what is this here? And this is your guide to push down the sticker or the inner bezel. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't even have any alcohol prep to make sure that the sticker will stay on the inner bezel. Okay, so let's just do a dry run just to see how this thing fits with a bezel pre-installed. So from here, where is the middle part? So from here, it looks like you can still install it. Okay, and that's how it would look like. It adds dimension to your watch, and I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so in this case, I just want to see how it looks like without this bezel. But I have to remove this first. It's quite, there we go. So without this bezel, just the inner itself, this is how, oh, it really fits in nicely in there, guys. It fits in nicely in the groove, and also it fits very nice because I have the tempered glass screen protector pre-installed already. That's why it fits very nicely in there. But that's how it would look like. I think it looks so much better without even the outer bezel styling or bezel from another company there. And there she is. So I'm going to install this like this without the outer bezel. But first I need to grab an alcohol wipes. All right, so I found one here. So you definitely need to clean the sides, the surface, to make sure that the sticker will stay on there for good. Okay, let me just wipe it down now. I'm surprised they didn't even provide any cloth or wipes, whereas other no-name brand company, they do it. All right, so let's remove this and let's find the arrow. There's an arrow there, which will be the center. All right, so it looks like it's pretty straight. All right, I got it straightened up there. So all you need to do is just push down. Make sure, hold on. Okay, so just push down all around. Make sure all the stickers are catching all the surface. Okay, wow. And I don't think I don't even need this tool. Yeah, this tool is kind of useless. Or maybe that's for prying it out if you do decide to remove it. But other than that, guys, let's put this on. I just want to see what it looks like. So if you do decide to put this one on, the outer bezel, it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work, guys. You're literally covering the numbers or the inner bezel. So your option would be, is either you use the outer bezel or the inner bezel. And by the look of it, the inner bezel looks really, really good, guys. Let's see from the side view here. Okay, so everything's flush. It is just blends in naturally in there, guys. Like there's really nothing was added. But wow, I'm impressed. It looks really, really nice. So let's put this on my wrist and see what it looks like overall. And there she is. Looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, I definitely dig this one. They do have other colors as well. I don't know if the silver one will look good on the black watch. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you guys out to make the right decision to get this. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll put a link in the description below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.